Hi everyone and welcome aboard to Modern Intelligence Control. My name is Luis Alfonso Flores. I'm really glad to have you here. This is a space where we'll mix theory and practice to learn how modern controllers work and how we can use them to solve real problems in industry. All this by exploring predictive, adaptive, fuzzy, and neural network control. Well, the objectives of this whole conversation is going to be, first of all, understand the purpose and structure of the course, first of all. Secondly, highlight the importance of the practical component. And finally, encourage active participation and commitment. Well, about this course, we have to say that this is a methodological course of 3 credits that combines, on one hand, theory, that using a predictive and adaptive control, neural networks, and fuzzy systems. On the other hand, we have practice, simulating scenarios supported by ICT. It means information, communication, and technology. That means that the practical component of this course is going to be carried out in virtual environments and also using simulation tools like MATLAB, Simulink, and the others. But why this course matters? Currently, modern industry faces challenges like variability and uncertainty. That's why here you will be able to design intelligent controllers, also simulate and test solutions, and finally optimize industrial processes. And remember, each practice you complete can become the foundation of real industry solutions that improve productivity and competitiveness. As methodology, we will use project-based learning. That means that we have to encourage active participation, teamwork, and integration and theory and practice to solve real challenges. Speaking about phases and evaluation, the course is organized in 5 parts or 5 phases. Phase 1, recognition of prior knowledge, and that's going to have 25 points. Phase 2, design and predictive and adaptive controllers. That's going to have the score of 85 points. Phase 3, neural network in control systems, going to be 85 points. And phase 4, which is going to be the main course here, the practical component, is going to have simulated practices. Its score is going to be 180 points. And finally, phase 5, reflective scientific article with a score of 125 for a total of 500 points. Well, we need to stop right here because we need to speak more in details about the practical component. The practical component in phase 4 consists in an activity. This activity is basically modeling and simulating the inverted pendulum. We have to use some concepts of predictive control, adaptive control, neural network-based control, and fuzzy control. Finally, we have to evaluate the performance under some disturbances and propose some improvement. The delivery is going to be by a PDF report. Obviously, you have to follow all the leading guidelines. Finally, this is not just theory. Remember, every simulation is an opportunity to create practical solutions. Each controller you design is a tool to face real-world challenges. This course gives you the chance to integrate innovation with applied engineering. Welcome aboard. Get ready for the course that combines theory, practice, and purpose. Welcome back.
Muchas gracias. Te damos la bienvenida a este curso.